everyone everywhere on this earth, they are creating content. Whether it's whether it's fashion, it's beauty, it's editorials, everyone has something or the other to say.
And when you're on your own journey, which is very different from a normal journey that we think about, I think it takes a lot of conviction on your mental health as well in order to go through that journey smoothly.
A lot of countries, a lot of economies, they are growing on fashion. So fashion is a very crucial part of their economies, be it Bangladesh, be it India, Sri Lanka. So all these growing economies, they thrive on fashion production, and it's one of the most polluting industries in the world. After petroleum, I think fashion industry is creating a lot of garbage with the fast fashion AI which has come. So we don't even understand what is real, what is not real. And when we talk about a creative industry, so generative AI is coming, and more or less we won't need all these aesthetic platforms in the coming future. Talks about nature, connecting to things around us, and sustainability is like the real flex right now. So I don't know how many people truly stand up for that, but we see a lot of people holding up the flag of sustainability, and we need to go green, and governments are also spending so much of money on that.
To explore more and more things, and one thing which is constant in everything is your creativity. You are creative as a person, so you don't just want to be a businessman, you want to stretch your legs to different domains.
When you are working on an editorial, for example, or like a fashion campaign, wherein you would have to dance to other person's tune, whether it's the creative directors or the brand, or how they are trying to project a particular a project, how they are mounting the project. So
what fuels you in those moments when you are low, when you're feeling low, when you don't feel like doing something, and you have a lot of things on your plate to deal on a day-to-day basis?